Hey, how's it going? It's Sarah here, and in this video, I'm going to be giving you my full in-depth review for Savings Highway Global in 2023. So if you're watching this video right now, chances are you're doing some research about SHG and you're wondering to yourself, can this really help me make and save more money? And so if you're someone who is either looking to make more money or save more money, or perhaps both, then definitely stick with me in this video because I'm going to go over exactly what you need to know about this so that you can make an informed decision for yourself. But real quick, if this is your first time tuning in, make sure to go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and tap the bell icon so that you could always be notified of new videos that I release on this channel. And I'm always putting out videos regularly about how to make and save more money online. So again, if that interests you, be sure to subscribe. And also, I will mention that I do have a free training series that I have right here. So if any point you want to check this out as well, then that is pretty much this pretty much goes over how I market this exact business, right? So anyways, let's first and foremost show you some proof in terms of what is exactly possible with SHG. Now, first and foremost, what I want to do is I want to show you the leaderboard section right here. And by the way, this is not like a brag or a flex or anything along those lines. This is really to show you exactly what is possible when you use exactly what I give you with both my training series and the bonuses that you get when you get started via the link down below, right? So currently right now, I'm actually number 5. I'm in the top 5 earners in this entire company, right? And so, you see my name right there. And what's really cool about this is that majority of these people that are in the top 10 right here, notice these names that say the funnel team. These are all members that are plugged into our specific team with SHG, which is known as the funnel team, right? And so this is actually a training portal that was put together by 2 of the top earners. And so this is one of the bonuses that you'll of course get access when you join down below, right? So 9, I want to say about 8 to 9 of these 10 people are in the funnel team. I believe Eric is also in here as well, but he didn't change his name. And I think I want to say Christy is in here as well, or one of these other 2 is in here. But majority of the leaderboard in the top 10 is in the funnel team, which should go to show you that this entire system that we give you is working very well for our members, right? So anyways, I want to go ahead and I want to talk about exactly what you're getting when you decide to get started with Savings Highway Global. So what exactly is this? What is it all about? And what are you getting? So Savings Highway Global is a savings portal that allows you to save money on pretty much any sort of expenses you have, whether that is car insurance, travel, home insurance, electricity bills, pretty much all of your monthly bills, gas, phone bill, internet, any of those types of things, anything that you pay monthly for, or any type of expense like groceries or anything along those lines, this helps you save money on. And what's really cool about this particular savings portal is you get exclusive discounts that are not available to the public. So one of the things that I will show you here that is really cool is something known as the wholesale agent travel. This right here is a travel engine that is pretty much next level. If you're looking to get hotels or if you're looking to take more vacations, this is the perfect business to get aligned with. And just to give you a live demonstration, let's say that I'm going to go to, I'll just type in like Wisconsin because that's where I'm from. So I'm just going to give this as like an example here, right? So I'll just say, we'll just say Milwaukee, I guess. And let's say that I want to stay at a hotel from the 22nd of January all the way up until like, let's say end of January, right? So about, what is that, like a little over a week, right? So 1 room, 2 guests, I'm gonna hit search. And just to give you an idea, this will show you the discounts that you'll have here compared to any other travel engine that you decide to check out, right? So check this out. St. Kate Arts Hotel, and you're seeing this live, by the way, right? Public price over 9,000 that you'd pay right here. The savings here is over 7,000, and in this case, you're only paying about 2,000 for the stay. This is a 5-star, 4-star hotel that you're staying at right here. And if you were to book this elsewhere, you'd be, investing almost 10 grand versus here, the discount is at a much higher rate, right? And so there's also like, Hilton Milwaukee Center, right? So save 900 here or save about 1,000 there. So in this case, it's about $1,000 less. And there's tons of amazing discounts here, as well as tons of other expenses that, I could go over, like credit repair. There's also discounts on, like, if you want to get a new car or you want to save on your car payment every month, then this is very great to look into as well. And so just to give you an idea in terms of what is possible with this, there's actually a separate Facebook group specifically for saving and earning potential, which I'll show you right here. And just to give you an idea, right, here is a member by the name of Jason Perez, who saved nearly $9,000 on his debt that he was paying. So this is pretty phenomenal when you think about it, because if you want to, say, have more money to spend at the end of the month, then one of the best ways of doing that is by cutting your expenses down. And so this helps you lower bills that you're already paying for, in many cases without having to switch providers. Here's another example for myself. This was a laptop that I got, and I want to see if I could pull up the full post here. This was a new laptop that I got, which was an HP Dragonfly Folio, and I managed to save about $400 on this right here. So this is a pretty cool device that I got right here. Saved $400 on that I would have paid more if I bought, specifically through the site. So there's that. And then now what I also want to go over is the earning potential with this. Now, this is really great if you want to earn a residual income online. So if you're someone who wants to have consistent income coming in every single month from work, you put in the work once, you generate the sales using the exact methods that we show you here. And what's really cool about this is income that's coming in every single month. So just to give you an idea, just today, I'm filming this about 1 to 2 days in the week. And so today I'm at $59.75. And for the week so far, I'm at $256 right here. So again, this is something that is residual income, and it's something that continues to build up as time progresses. So yeah, there's that. And there is also, here's Daniel, who posted this about a week ago. I got paid over $3,000 in a particular week. So the earning potential here is absolutely phenomenal. Now, what I want to go over here is what exactly are you going to get when you decide to get partnered up with myself? How can I help ensure that you get these types of results as well? Well, when you get started down below, one of the things that you will have access to is a step-by-step training series that I've put together, and it's right on this channel. And this is a step-by-step training that shows you literally everything that I do to promote this exact business. So if you want to learn my exact methods, exactly what I do on a daily basis, then this pretty much goes over all of that right there. You get to see exactly how I drive traffic, how I set up a custom domain. I talk about mindset a bit in here, and there's tons of other things that I show, like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, tons of really great value that you get with this training. Now, on top of that, like I mentioned, you also get the TFT training portal right here. And this shows you literally everything. And might I also mention, this is created by the top 2 earners in this company right here, which are Daniel and Kirsty. Both of these two are 6-figure earners, and they've put together this training together right here to show you pretty much everything you need to know, from how to get in the right mindset, how to time block and plan for your success, right? This shows you everything in terms of how to set up your social media platforms. This shows you how to create very simple, easy copy and paste, done for you videos. So if you, let's say for example, are not comfortable, like speaking on video, then there's tons of videos you can create very quickly in like 10 to 15 seconds. And many of them, you don't even have to use your voice. You could just have text on the screen. You could aim your phone at the wall. There's tons of ways that you can go about this, but this shows you how to do that, how to promote on Craigslist. There's a few paid traffic methods in here you can go into. And on top of that, if this wasn't enough, there's also additional training that you get inside of the Facebook group. So every Monday, Tuesday, Friday, there are live streams in here. There's also the Teachable Tuesdays, which are every Tuesday at 7 p.m. And this is all set up to help you generate consistent income online, whether you're someone who's brand new, if you have a bit of experience and you want to, create a source of residual income, or if you're someone who's not technical, this is created in a very simple, newbie-friendly way. So That being said, I've shown you everything. I've shown you all the benefits. If you're ready to start saving and earning more money, then go ahead to the first link down below, and that will take you over to another thing that I forgot to mention. That will take you right over to, it'll take you right over here. And what you'll want to do is you'll simply want to enter your email here, and then you can check out the funnel. Or if you want to go straight to the sign up page, I'll include a link down below for that. So anyways, go ahead and get started today. And my friend, I'll see you on the inside. Take care and all the best.